Autonomous AI agents might be here soon, and they will change everything. A big partnership between NVIDIA and Salesforce is paving the way for these agents to transform how businesses manage customer service, sales, logistics, and more. These AI agents are designed to predict, learn, and adapt in real time, providing a smarter, more efficient way for companies to operate. In this video, we'll explore how this collaboration is set to revolutionize industries and what it means for the future of work. Stay tuned to learn how AI could reshape the entire business landscape. Salesforce and NVIDIA's groundbreaking partnership. Salesforce, a global leader in customer relationship management (CRM), has partnered with NVIDIA, the frontrunner in AI hardware and processing power. Together, they're creating autonomous AI agents that not only respond to customer inquiries, but also learn and adapt over time. By combining NVIDIA's AI computing power with Salesforce's Agent Force, these agents are equipped to handle everything from customer service to optimizing business operations like sales and IT management. They won't just follow a script, they'll evolve with every interaction, making smarter decisions in real time. This collaboration is more than just about creating faster systems. These AI agents are designed to handle increasingly complex tasks, continuously learning from past interactions. Salesforce envisions deploying billions of AI agents across industries, offering an unprecedented level of automation and intelligence in the business world. This could dramatically reshape how companies function, making operations faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. Why this partnership is revolutionary. Most AI systems today operate within the constraints of rule-based frameworks. They can only perform specific tasks that they've been pre-programmed to do. However, the AI agents developed through the Salesforce-NVIDIA partnership are autonomous, meaning they learn and adapt without needing constant human input. They're designed to predict outcomes, learn from vast amounts of data, and offer solutions in real time. Let's take sales and marketing as an example. Imagine you're on a sales call with a potential client, and the AI is listening in, offering real-time insights and suggestions. It can recommend products based on customer preferences, identify missed opportunities in the sales pitch, and even signal when it's the best time to close the deal. These AI agents aren't just tools, they're partners, adding value by thinking, analyzing, and responding instantaneously. This kind of AI isn't just enhancing business processes, it's redefining them. In the world of customer support, these AI agents will completely transform the way businesses handle queries. We've all experienced the frustrations of dealing with chatbots that fail to provide helpful answers, but these AI agents are different. They'll be able to handle complex issues, not just the basics. They'll learn from every interaction and improve, providing faster, more accurate responses to customer concerns. Over time, these AI agents will understand customer preferences, anticipate needs, and deliver personalized solutions, even before the customer asks. Transforming business operations. Beyond sales and customer service, these AI agents will revolutionize internal operations within businesses, especially in areas like IT management. Typically, IT departments need to constantly monitor systems, fix bugs, and troubleshoot issues as they arise. AI agents, however, will be able to predict potential problems before they occur, ensuring systems remain operational and preventing costly downtime. For example, if an AI agent detects a pattern that suggests a server is at risk of crashing, it can take proactive measures to reroute traffic, reallocate resources, or fix bugs before they escalate. In logistics, AI agents will use real-time data to optimize delivery routes, predict potential disruptions, and adjust schedules accordingly. They can monitor weather conditions, traffic patterns, and supply chain information to ensure goods arrive on time and in the most efficient way possible. This kind of real-time optimization is crucial for industries that rely on just-in-time delivery models, where even minor delays can result in significant losses. The ability to adjust on the fly without human intervention is what sets these AI agents apart from traditional systems. In the financial sector, these agents will provide personalized investment advice by analyzing real-time market data. They'll adjust investment strategies instantly as market conditions change, allowing businesses to make smarter, data-driven decisions in a fraction of the time. This ability to synthesize information from various sources and offer immediate, actionable insights gives companies a competitive edge. Challenges and ethical concerns. While the potential of AI agents is immense, the challenges and ethical concerns cannot be overlooked. One of the most significant concerns is the issue of job displacement. As AI agents become more capable of handling complex tasks, many fear that human jobs, particularly in sectors like customer service, IT support, and logistics, could be at risk. These AI systems can perform repetitive and data-heavy tasks more efficiently than humans, and companies may be tempted to reduce their human workforce in favor of automated solutions. However, it's important to understand that AI also has the potential to create new opportunities. Many experts argue that AI will not completely replace human workers, but will instead augment them. AI can take over mundane tasks, allowing humans to focus on more strategic, creative, and emotionally intelligent aspects of their jobs. In this way, AI could lead to a more fulfilling and productive work environment, provided that businesses invest in upskilling their workforce. Employees will need to learn new skills and adapt to working alongside AI systems, which can enhance their roles rather than replace them. Another pressing concern is around data privacy and security. AI agents will have access to vast amounts of sensitive customer data, and it's critical that this data is handled responsibly. How businesses protect and manage this data will be paramount, especially as privacy concerns grow in the age of AI. Additionally, AI systems by nature are only as good as the data they're trained on. If an AI agent is trained using biased or incomplete data, it can produce biased results, leading to unfair or unethical outcomes. This brings us to the broader issue of AI bias, ensuring that AI systems are trained on diverse, accurate, and unbiased datasets to avoid perpetrating harmful stereotypes or inaccuracies. Salesforce and NVIDIA are aware of these challenges and have taken steps to address them. Salesforce has implemented ethical AI guidelines to ensure that its AI systems are used responsibly, with a focus on transparency and fairness. However, as AI technology continues to evolve, it will be essential to continuously update and strengthen these guidelines to ensure that AI systems remain ethical, secure, and beneficial to all. The future of work and AI-driven avatars. Looking to the future, one of the most exciting aspects of the Salesforce and NVIDIA partnership is the development of AI-powered avatars. These avatars will revolutionize how businesses interact with both customers and employees. Using NVIDIA's ACE platform, these avatars will be able to simulate human behavior in a way that feels natural and engaging. They'll be capable of recognizing speech, converting text to speech, and even interpreting body language and facial expressions. Imagine walking into a store or visiting a website and being greeted by an AI that looks and acts just like a human sales assistant. These avatars could help customers find the products they're looking for, offer personalized recommendations, and even process payments, all without the need for human intervention. But the potential of AI avatars extends beyond customer-facing roles. Businesses could use AI avatars for employee training, providing real-time coaching and feedback to help workers improve their skills. In fact, AI avatars could be deployed in a wide variety of settings, from call centers and virtual help desks to digital tour guides and sales representatives. The possibilities are nearly endless, and as these technologies become more advanced, we can expect to see AI avatars playing an increasingly important role in everyday business operations. These avatars won't just be limited to handling simple customer interactions. As they continue to develop, they will be able to engage in more complex conversations, offering thoughtful responses and even anticipating customer needs. For businesses, this means they can offer a more personalized and engaging experience without the need for additional staff. The AI revolution is here. The partnership between Salesforce and NVIDIA marks a new chapter in the ongoing AI revolution. By developing autonomous AI agents and AI-powered avatars, they are setting the stage for a massive transformation in how businesses operate. These agents will not only enhance customer service, but will also streamline internal operations, from sales to AI management. The ability of these AI systems to learn, adapt, and predict outcomes makes them incredibly powerful tools for businesses of all sizes. But with this potential comes responsibility. Businesses must be mindful of the potential risks, including job displacement, data privacy, and the ethical use of AI. It'll be critical for companies to invest in upskilling their employees and ensuring that their AI systems are designed to be fair, transparent, and secure. We are standing on the brink of an AI-driven future. The question is no longer whether AI will impact the way we work, it's already happening, The real question is how we, as businesses and individuals, can best harness this incredible technology for the benefit of all. So what do you think? Are you excited about the future of AI agents and avatars, or do you have concerns about their impact on jobs and privacy? If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.